Hidden treasure in a dream. In a corner of a quiet village, there was an old bookstore. The bookstore was lined up with countless books filled with dreams and adventures from all over the world. One day, a young girl, Lena, stepped into the bookstore. She loved books and was especially captivated by the adventures in her dreams. At the back of the bookstore was an old gentleman with grey hair. He smiled at Lena and handed her a book. "Your dream is depicted in this book. Please read it." When Lena opened the book, the letters glowed, and she was enveloped in a strange feeling. The next moment, she was in a dream. It was in a lush green forest. A soft light came in from between the trees, and the chirping of birds echoed. While walking in the woods, Lena found a small crystal-like fruit. "The moment I picked it up, I heard a voice from the depths of the forest. The fruit is the key to the hidden treasure. Those who find it await a test of true friendship and courage." Lena moved towards the voice, feeling her heart pounding. There was a log cabin, and a large stone statue stood in front of it. The stone statue was the guardian deity of the old legend. It's good to challenge the ordeal with courage. If you do that, you can get a true treasure. The ordeal was an unknown adventure for Lena. She overcame various challenges to face her fears. We gradually deepened our friendship by getting lost in dark caves, crossing dangerous bridges, and sometimes helping our friends. Finally, at the end of the trial, Rena stood in front of a huge door. Beyond the door, there should be a shining treasure waiting. However, in order to open the door, I had to remove the anxiety in my heart. Rena remembered her courage and the importance of her friends, and took a deep breath. The moment my heart was refreshed, the door opened with a sound. There was a golden treasure shining, but there was the most important one among them. It is a friend's smile and good memory that symbolizes her bond. At that moment, Lena understood what was really important. The friendship and courage gained through the adventure in her dream was the treasure for her. When I woke up, Rena was in the bookstore. I closed the book and expressed my gratitude to the old gentleman. The beginning of a new adventure and the taste of true friendship were engraved in her heart. From that day on, Lena continued to act with courage in the real world, with what she had learned through the dream adventure in mind. Her adventure will continue in the future.